Imagine a world where your doctor is an algorithm, your coworker is a machine, your best friend, an app on your phone. Sounds like science fiction. It's not. Artificial intelligence is changing the world, right now. But in our race toward progress, we've forgotten to ask the most important question. What are we sacrificing? Just in 1 or 2 decades, AI has changed the world. We have gone from floppy disks to ChatGPT, from dial-up to self-driving cars. AI now writes articles, paints pictures, composes music, translates languages, and even reads your emotions. In factories, hospitals, classrooms, even in our homes, AI is everywhere. We are racing to build faster, smarter, more human-like machines. We are dreaming for accuracy, efficiency, and profit. But dreams come with the price. Let's be fair. AI has done incredible things. In healthcare, it detects cancer earlier than any human. It helps the blind see, the mute speak, and the disabled live more independently. In transportation, it prevents accidents and saves lives. It makes work faster, cheaper, and in many cases, easier. But that's just one side of the coin. Because while we're gaining speed, we're losing something much deeper. AI is replacing humans at breathtaking speed. Call center workers, cashiers, delivery drivers, translators, gone. The World Economic Forum estimates over 85 million jobs will be displaced by 2025. A woman in Ohio said, "I trained the software that replaced me. Then they laid me off." It's not just jobs, it's dignity, purpose, routine. Artists are watching AI generate images in seconds. Writers see machines crafting essays and poems in their voice. It mimics our art, but it doesn't suffer to create it. So, is that still art? But a machine can't feel heartbreak. It can't dream. Every day, AI tracks our habits, our faces, our thoughts. It watches what we type, buy, say, and even how we say it. Facial recognition in public. Data sold to advertisers without us knowing. We think we're in control. But we're being watched, profiled, manipulated. And most of us don't even realize it. When an AI makes a mistake, who's responsible? A biased algorithm denies someone health care or a loan. Is it the coder, the company, the machine? And what happens when AI deepfakes videos, spreads lies, and destroys reputations? We are building machines that can deceive, manipulate, and outthink us. But we haven't figured out how to make them ethical, or how to make ourselves ethical in using them. We're racing ahead, blindfolded. So what do we do? Do we destroy the machines? Stop progress? Turn back the clock? No, but we must draw a line. We need laws that protect people, not just profits. We need AI that complements human beings, not replaces them. Schools must teach emotional intelligence, not just code. Creators must demand human credit. And all of us must stay awake. The future is not written in code. It's written in the choices we make, today. We are the most advanced species on Earth, not because we are the fastest or the smartest, but because we can feel, because we can love, because we can imagine something better. If we trade those things away for convenience and control, then we've already lost. Don't just witness the rise of AI. Be the voice that reminds the world, humanity matters. The question isn't, can we build smarter machines? It's, can we protect what makes us human? The choice is still ours. Please subscribe and comment. What's your thought?